Hello, this is Greg Crystal with Inalign, and today we're going to do a quick presentation on how to customize a list template in Sitefinity 9.2. Now, over in this screen over here, I have a list, and if I hit the edit button, you'll see that I'm using the expanded list template, and I have a total of 5 templates over here that I can use. Now I'm going to go over to Studio Code over here, and you'll see that this is the expanded list template. And again, you'll see a lot of HTML in here, and of course we do have a mix of some C# and Razor syntax as well, but there's not a lot. If you haven't seen this before, basically what is occurring is there's a model being passed in to the control, which has all of the list data that we want. You see the title of the list appears here, and then we loop through all of the items of that list. We put each one of the items into a div, the title goes into an H3, and the content goes into a P tag down here. Now we could very easily change the expanded list control, changing the HTML around if we want an H2 or an H3, or we want a bold, or we could even change this to UL and LI tags. But I don't want to change that one. I'd like to create a whole new control. And I'm just going to name this example. Alright. And I'm going to go in here and I say, well, I just want the title. I don't really want the content, so I'm going to delete that. And I really don't want this to be an H3. I want this to be an H2. And now I'm going to save that. Now I'll go back to my page over here, and again, I haven't compiled anything at all. I haven't had to recompile anything. And if I go in here to templates over here, you'll see that example shows up. It did not show up before. And if I click example and then wait a little bit as it loads up the new list item template that I have. Alright, and there we have it. We have our new list item template control, and it's no longer displaying the content, just the title. And if we were to preview this, and then go out to our developer tools, you'll see that the titles of the movies are also H2s. And that's a quick example of how you can customize the front end of Sitefinity without knowing a lot about C# and .NET.